Smile. Arabella. Look at mommy, Okay? Halika dito, harap dito. Sit ka dyan. Sit, ate. Kunin mo siya. Oh, sit down. Show mommy where's your eyes. Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your lips? Lips. Lips. Where's your ears? Ears. Ears. Where's your teeth? Teeth. Where's your teeth? Teeth. Where's your hair? Hair. Your hair. Your hair. Hair. Where's your head? Head. Where's your hands? Hands. Oh, clean ba yung hands niya? Show mommy where's your fingers? Fingers. Where's your toes? Toes. Where's your shoes? Shoes. Ayun! Ganda-ganda, no? Oh, show mommy where's your tummy? Dali na, where's your tummy na? There! Where's your navel? Navel? Navel. Where's your navel? Nandun din yun eh. Dali na, navel. Ay, there yung navel. Yatoy! Oh, kata ka na. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold him up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly. 1, 2, 3. Dali na. Two little hands are good to see. Yay! Kanta ka nga, ay, ay, ay. Dali, stand up, stand up. Backpack. Ano sabi ng Roaring Lion? Hindi si Yayaw. Anong sabi ni Yayaw? No. Si Dora, anong sabi niya? Backpack, backpack. Smile nga. Show mommy your cheeks. Where's your cheeks? Where's your cheeks? Sige na.